Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. We can continue yesterday lesson because to do some review paper and no, today is the last day actually. From next week onwards, we can start paper revision class, right? Did you get the point, Puda?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'll check your homework next week. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Are you sleepy?
Mm.
Huh? When I call you, you are asleep, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. Okay. Dinal, page number actually should be page number, I think 12 or something, right? Page number 10, 11, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Uh, Last day we discussed something about supply curve. Okay. Uh, and today we can draw supply curves, right? Supply. First one, example number one. Can you see the example number one?
Yes.
Price, and you can see second axis quantity supplied, not quantity demand, right? Price and quantity supplied. Okay. Then you can see price is $1, $2, $3, $4. When price rises at price $1, suppliers are willing and able to supply 200 units. I'll put it into the board. Look at the board. Price and quantity supplied. Quantity supplied. Quantity supplied. Price in dollars. Price is $1. Price is in dollars. Quantity in units. When price is $1, quantity supplied is 200 units. Dinal, it means that when price of this product is $1, suppliers or producers are willing and able to supply 200 units of ice cream. Clear? 200 units of ice cream to the market,
Yes, sir.
right? When price increases to $2, when price rises to $2, now supply increases to 400 units, right? Now suppliers are willing and able to supply 400 units. Dinal, tell me why suppliers are willing and able to supply more units than earlier.
Because price increase.
Huh?
Price increase.
Yeah, when price, what is the benefit of increasing price?
Money.
They can earn more profit. Do you agree or not?
Agree.
Yes. When price increases, you can sell your product at a higher price, right? Making more money or making more profit. So when price rises, producers try to supply more units because profit rises. To earn more profit, they are willing to supply more, right? Then when price is 3 rupees, $3, no, $3. Quantity supplied is 600 units. When price is $4, quantity supplied is 800 units. Right. Now, listen me carefully. Okay. When drawing a supply curve, number one, is here price, here quantity supplied. Here quantity supplied. Then how does price change, Puta? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means price changes one by one. So you can label price axis as 1. Remember similar distance, right? Look at the board. I'll give you time to draw it. Similar distance, right? 1. Then similar distance, 2. $2. In similar distance, $3. $4. Quantity supply, you can label supply axis label can be labeled as quantity supplied, and you can mark it by 200, 200, 200, 400, 600, 800, and 1000. Okay. Now you can mark points. Look at the board. I'll do it. When price is $1, supply is 200 units. Where is the point, Dina? When price is $1, supply is how many units? 200
200.
units. Here is the point. When price is $2, suppliers are willing to supply not 200 units. Now they are willing to supply 400 units. Where is 400? When price is 2, supply is 400 units. This is the point. When price rises to $3, now supply is 800. They are willing to supply 800 units because a higher price is very high. When price increases to 4 rupees, they are willing to supply 800 units. 800 units. Now you can see the shape of the curve. How is it going, Dinal? Letter is S. S means supply curve. Okay. How is it going, Puta? Upward sloping or downward sloping?
Up.
Upward sloping. Can you remember the demand curve?
Downward.
Downward sloping. Here, curve is upward sloping curve. Dinner, finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you are drawing the curve, you can use the space given, right? Can you see that? Can you show the? Can you show your diagram? Yes, very good. Uh, Axes have been labeled, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Then supply curve. Okay, draw the supply curve. Then what is the answer for second question, Dinal? What is the relationship between price of the product and quantity supply? Actually, we discussed last day as well. What is the relationship between price of the product and quantity supplied? Uh,
When price rise, quantity supply also rises.
Rises, right? But remember, in economics, there are two main relationships, right? First one is positive relationship, second one is negative relationship. Here you should say whether there is a positive relationship or negative relationship between these two variables. Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Okay, you can write down answer for second question. This is the first part. Second one is asking the relationship between price and quantity supplied. My dear students, when price of the product increases, quantity supply also increases, right? You can see here, when price increases from $1 to $2, quantity supplied also rises from $200 units to 400 units. And when price rises from $2 to $3, again quantity supply rises from 400 to 600 units. It's mean lamai, you can see when price of the product rises, quantity supply also increases, right? So you can say there is a positive relationship, right? There is a positive relationship. Positive relationship. There is a positive relationship between price of the product and quantity supplied. Quantity supplied. Remember this word, right? Positive. Positive relationship. Positive relationship between price of the product and quantity supplied. Which means that which means that which means that when price rises, suppliers are willing to supply are willing to supply are willing to supply more units to the market. To the market. This is the answer for second question. Finish?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move to example number 2. This is the first example. Now, before drawing the graph, look at the table, Dinal. First column, first column stands for price. You can see now, Dinal, price changes 1 by 1, go 2 by 2.
2 by 2.
2 by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Quantity supplied, how much the gap?
1 by
100. So you can mark quantity axis by 100, 100, 100, 100, right? 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Price, you can mark it by 2 by 2. Then same two questions, I think. Draw the supply curve. And there's another one, second one. If product is $5, how many units would be supplied? Okay. Price $2, $4, $6, $8. Quantity supplied 200, 300, 400, and 500. So gap is 2 rupees between two prices. So you can mark price axis 2 by 2, no issue. If you want, you can take it like 1 by 1, but taking 2 by 2 is easy, right? Simple. Right. 2, 4, 6, 8. Dinal, this gap should be equal. Huh? If you take 2 squares for plus 2, same 2 squares should be taken for other 2, right? So 8. quantity supplied. Quantity supplied, you can see difference is 100. So you can label it, mark it as, sorry, 100 by 100. Hundred by 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. When price is $2, price is $2. Suppliers are willing to supply 200 units. Here's the point. When price is $4, at price 4, suppliers are willing to supply 300 units. When price comes to 6 rupees in the market, suppliers try to sell 400 units in the market because they can earn more profit at price 6. Then when price is 8 rupees, quantity supply is going to be 500 units. Right? Then your supply curve goes up like this. Remember, Dinal, if you extend this supply curve, your curve will touch the quantity supplied axis at it's around like 100, not by at 0. Okay, it's additional point. Don't worry about that. What I need to say, this supply curve does not start from origin. Dinal, where is origin? Origin means 0. 0. Right? Point where this price axis and quantity supplied axis intersect. Yeah, 0. Previous supply curve, in example number 1, supply curve starts or it goes up through origin. Right? Here, it does not touch the origin. Right? Remember. Clear?
Sir.
Okay. Can you show your supply curve? Can you send me a photo, Lama? I think it's something wrong. Oh, Dinal, it's wrong. Can you recognize the mistake? You have done
Origin?
big mistake. Look at price axis, Dinal. Price axis. How many squares have you taken for plus 2? 1 or 2?
So
How
two.
many, how many squares have you taken to show plus 2?
Two.
No, my question is example. Okay, give me 1 minute. Can you see my screen sharing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at Dinal. If you draw right, this is price axis. This is quantity axis. Here, Dinal, mistake is you have mark press 2 here. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Then it means to mark press 2, you have taken only one square. Square means this. Can you see that? 1 square equals 2. Is that clear? It's a square.
Yes, sir.
Then when you're marking 4, how many squares have you taken? You have marked 4 here. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
It's wrong, right? Uh, Here you have taken only one square to mark 2. Here to mark 2, gap is 2, but you have used 2 squares. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
1, this is press 1, right? This is second one. This is second one. This is second. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then you could have marked 4 here after one square. Clear? Another one 6 here. 8 here. Clear? Dinal, is that clear, Puta?
Yes, sir.
Look at the diagram. I'll show you. And supply axis, quantity axis as well. Correct it the row. Distance is not equal. Dinal, can you see the diagram I'm sharing, your diagram?
Yes,
Okay, can you see the diagram I'm sharing, Dinal?
sir.
Here, look, mistake is here. You have taken 1 square for plus 200. Sorry, yeah, plus 200. Then how much the gap between 200 and 300? Gap is,
2.
yes. To show 100 distance, you have taken how many? Squares lamai. 2. Then again, gap between 300 and 400 is 100. Right? To show 100 distance, you have used 2 squares again. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Again, to show 100 distance, you have taken 2 squares. But what about here? Look at press point. 0 to 200. Distance how much?
1,
Distance.
sir.
No, no. Distance. I mean, gap between 0 and 200.
1.
No, no. I'm asking change with a value, not number of squares that you have taken. How much the difference between 200 and 300? When you are
100.
100. When you are coming from 0 to 200, how much the gap is?
200.
200. Then you have use only 1 square to draw, or sorry, to show 200 distance. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct?
Ah, sir, wrong.
Wrong. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So I think best option is to take 100 by 100, right? If you take 100 here, then 200 after 1 square, 300 after another 1 square, 400 after another 1 square. Is that clear? Okay. Draw the diagram correctly. Another one is there should be S, capital S, to show the supply curve. Otherwise, it's no sense. Finish the row.
Still doing.
Okay. Now, before drawing the graph, can you show me the numbers mark? Yes. Yeah. Up. Again it comes 8:30, I think, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, can you complete this question at home? And other questions as well. What are the other questions? Number two, no, three, and four, I think. And draw it correctly, yeah? Especially when drawing a graph, pay your attention on the scales. Okay. Okay. At the beginning, it's okay. Practice more questions, then it will be okay. Right. Okay. Then, okay. Good night. Bye. Let's do next week. Okay. Bye.